How to fix iPhone camera quality. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can fix or simply improve your iPhone camera quality. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that I recommend you guys to do is physically clean your lens. So make sure nothing is, obstructing it, nothing is between the camera and whatever you're trying to click a picture of. And you can do that by wiping the camera with a soft microfiber cloth. And after that, what you'll need to do is head over to your settings. So head over to your settings and let me just go back here. Okay, so you'll now need to choose the right format. So first, for that, you'll need to go to camera, scroll down, tap on the camera option, and now you'll need to head over to formats. You'll find formats right there, tap on it. So here, simply choose high efficiency. So if that's selected, simply choose most compatible, since your device which is compatible will just click a picture at whatever is most compatible to avoid quality loss. So after doing that, for higher quality on supported pro models, you can turn on resolution control or pro raw and resolution control to choose default formats like 48 megapixels or pro default. So after doing that, you can also adjust the video quality. For that, just be on the camera section right here, then head over to record video. Now here you can increase the resolution to 4K if you want, and also adjust the frame rate. And yeah, that's basically how you can fix your iPhone camera quality, is by just setting it to the most compatible and efficient option. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.